doing? I'm John Bauerlein, the Athletic Director at Dover High School. In case you don't know, this is our third video of our big construction project here at the high school, football, track, and baseball field. As you can see over my shoulder, the bleachers are in place, and we will go down and give you a different angle of those so you can actually see. And this side is seating for just under 1,000, and if you look at the top of it, you can see where the press box is going to be. All the fans will filter in under the bleachers and enter the track area from underneath the bleachers. The field is ready for sod. I was told next Tuesday, which is the 13th of November, the sod is going to be put down. The base coat of the pavement is all finished now on the track, as you can see. They are not going to put the final urethane coat and paint the stripes until March, just for weather purposes. At the north end of the football field, you can see the area that's going to be designated for the high jump area. And if you pan out over towards the baseball field, you can see the grade has been raised. They will be hitting towards the east part of the property, so right where the bulldozer is about the area where home plate or the backstops will be, or a little bit west of that bulldozer. And then if we go over here to the east part of the property, you can see that the slab where the tarp is has been poured, and the water pump from the well is actually hooked up. The trench has been filled in along the field hockey fence here, and the sprinklers were tested last week. So we have water, and that's why they'll be able to start watering the sod once it's laid down, and that's kind of where we're at right now. We're going to pause for a second and go down to give you a different view of the bleachers. So again, we'll continue to give you updates on this once every couple weeks, and just to give the community and anyone else who is interested in this big construction project here at the high school an opportunity to see the track from a different view, as well as the bleachers. Now that you can see, if you look over my shoulder, the bleachers are orange, school colors, and you can see the crown of the dirt and the peat moss that was spread out for the actual grass area. And like I said, hopefully next week we'll see the sod completed, and we'll start to water that. If you look closely, you can see the base layer for the track is done, but once again we are going to have to put a urethane coat, a rubberized coat, over this in the spring. And the reason they're holding off to the spring is for a variety of reasons. One, that the weather doesn't beat on it. Two, we're not going to have the fencing around, and we don't want anyone to be out here on it in the wintertime. And that's about it. We'll be doing another video in, I would say, 1 to 2 weeks as the project progresses, to keep everyone informed and updated on it. Thank you very much.